Today I'm back with a new subject, new topic, which is called Veerasana or the hero pose. As per name hero, it looks like to be a hero. In Sanskrit, Veera means like brave. Brave in the sense of when you are a yogi, you are practicing asanas, you are practicing meditation. So when you sit in this posture, which is really not that easy, it takes a lot of power of your ankles, your knees. It makes you a hero, by which your legs are strong. Then you will get a habit to sit in the posture, working, which is must. So first you devote some time into Vajrasana or in Thunderbolt. As you are good in this posture comes under intermediate, the second level. So now you will start to practice the hero. Only the difference is you will start to open your knees apart. So still the butt is placed over your heels. The difference in between knees. The reason is we are preparing body for this level. And you are keeping your mind busy. Check the alignment. You're checking your breath, level of prana. In any posture, your prana needs to be deep, open. You have a lot of oxygen. As you are capable to open your knees for a bit, now what you will do, you have to open your feet apart the legs. Only the difference is you will open the feet apart and now you will place the objects in between your feet. When the anesthesia will touch to the ground, this is called Veerasana or the hero pose. Whenever you practice Veerasana, after that the contra pose. You sit in Veerasana for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't forget this cat. What will it do? It will release the tension from your ankles, it will release the pressure from your knees, and it will also back to the lift of your head as well. And then you go all the way down into Shashankasana or the rabbit pose. So this is the working of Veerasana. How to practice Veerasana? Now the main thing is, what is the advantage? Why should we practice? What are the benefits of Veerasana? Veerasana is made for people who are practicing Kundalini Yoga. Please stay tuned, stay there, otherwise you will lose this information. Again, I will repeat, Veerasana is made for the persons who are going into Samadhi, who are doing deep meditation, or they are practicing Kundalini Yoga. Now we will think, why Kundalini? Because when you sit in Veerasana, your anus region, which is the gate of opening the first channel. So in any posture, whenever your anus region becomes into contraction, I will repeat, whenever your anus region becomes into contraction, the root chakra starts to open like a lotus. This is the first working because of Kundalini, and Kundalini starts to go through all the chakras, the nadis, the veins. So first of all, the root chakra, we have to work on the root chakra. This is the reason after Vajrasana, even in Vajrasana, the working is there. You may feel the sensation on your root channel. And when you sit in Vajrasana, you press the buttocks down, it makes more contraction. So every posture has a different working. Why do we practice this asana? Why should we practice that asana? This is the reason every asana. Now I'm sitting in this asana, there is a reason. So this is important, you should learn, you should know.